Have you ever heard about menopause or perimenopause and women suffering around you and your friends?
I'm suffering. So this is why we are here today. I'm so thrilled to be talking with you about this. And a lot of my friends are also going through this right now. And a lot of my listeners as well, I know, are going through this right now. We have to talk about what are the symptoms that people might be experiencing that could potentially be because of perimenopause, but they haven't realized that that's what it is. What are some of the other ones that you see that people might not know could actually be perimenopause?
Because of this perimenopause transitional period, we see the decline of fertility hormone like estrogen and progesterone. During this perimenopause is like fluctuation. So there might be
Yeah,
a strike
yeah.
of estrogen happening, and then it's also combined with your menstrual cycle. It's feel like really confusing what's happening. It's coming like gradually in like shade of something. It's happening around all over the body. What I typically really see is the migraines, headache. It's continuously coming up repeatedly. It's like you feel so tense around your
Mm,
head. And
mm.
it also comes with forgetfulness,
Yes, the mind
the
fog, right? Yeah.
foggy
Mm.
brain, because those female hormones have a lot to do, like contribution to not only our fertility, but our immune system, cardiovascular, all that part of the
Yeah,
body are
pretty
relying
much
on it.
every
Yes,
part of
every
your
part of
body,
the body.
right?